Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you about my 3 ideas of augmented reality. First, we have AR cooking learning app, and then we have AR multilingual language tutor, and the last one we have AR graffiti walls. For AR cooking learning app, the problem is many people struggle to follow written or video-based recipe when learning to cook. Traditional recipe format often lack interactivity, making it difficult for beginners to visualize each cooking step correctly. Some learners also find it hard to understand timing, technique, and ingredient preparation just from text or static image. My solution is an augmented reality app that guides users step by step through cooking. By scanning recipe cards or ingredient, user can see 3D visuals of food they're preparing. The app includes voice and text instruction, interactive control, and optional skill check, making cooking both fun and easy to follow. For the mock visual, the first we have the user can scan an image or real-time dish using the app, and then the app will recognize the item and prepare the interactive cooking experience. The next, for the 3D representation of ingredient like rice, egg, and vegetable appear on the screen. User can examine each ingredient in 3D, making it easier to understand what they need. And then by tapping the next step, user can see the animated demonstration of the cooking process. For example, the app can show you frying vegetable in a pan, so user can visualize the technique in real time. And then finally, after completing all the steps, the finished 3D dish will appear on the screen, and there's going to be a congratulation message, providing a sense of accomplishment and reinforce the learning experience. Then next, we have the AR multilingual language tutor. The language learning can be quite challenging, especially for beginners who rely on textbook and memorization. Many learners struggle to connect word to real world objects and have difficulty with pronunciation and find it hard to remember vocabulary across multiple languages. Traditional methods often lack interactivity and fail to provide a visual, engaging experience that help with memory retention. Our solution is the AR Multilingual Language Tutor. It's an interactive augmented reality application that helps users learn basic vocabulary in 4 languages, which is Bahasa Indonesia, English, Chinese, and Japanese. User can scan real-world object or printed flashcard to see the 3D model of the items. And next, for the mock visual, here we have an picture example, but this one is the animal. What I'm going to make is like for the fruits and food. So when the 3D model appears, the app will display the name of the item in all 4 languages. User can tap flag icons to hear pronunciation, either from native speaker or generated audio, and a few example sentences for practical language use. And there's also an optional quizzes available to test the pronunciation. And for the example, when a user scans an image of an Apple flashcard, a 3D of the Apple model will appear and the word Apple show in 4 languages. Then the user can tap icon to hear the correct pronunciation, and the example of sentence appear to practice language in context. This makes learning visual, auditory, and interactive, connecting physical and digital experience naturally. And the last one, we have the AR gravity wall. The problem is traditional gravity is often seen as vandalism and is restricted in many areas. While it's powerful form of artistic expression, real-world gravity involves permanent pains, potential property damage, and environmental impact. Many young artists and students who are interested in street art like safe and legal space to experience and practice. My solution is the AR gravity walls, an augmented reality application that lets user create digital gravity or artworks on real-world walls using their smartphone camera. Instead of a real spray pen, user can use the virtual brushes and color to design graffiti in a safe, mess-free, and interactive digital space. For the mock visual, here we have the camera pointing at the wall, and when viewed through the app, the artwork appear as if painted directly on the real wall. The app provides a virtual platform for creative expression, encourage safe and eco-friendly artistic practice, and combine arts and technology to make graffiti accessible to everyone. The use to the app, user open it and point the phone camera at the wall like this on the flat surface. Then the app will detect the surface and project a virtual canvas. User can select colors and drag on the screen to spray paint in AR, and then with the paint stroke or particles appearing there directly on the wall, they can clear, save, and record their gravity artworks, giving them full creative freedom without any real world limitation. And that's all. Thank you.